Oh, you sell these barrels?
I like those shoes.
Thank you. I know you guys got a lot of barrels, huh?
Here helping us. Really, really awesome guy.
Yeah, we're gonna say this.
So those are all the stuff that's going in the bottom of the barrels, right?
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, so I am in Atlanta. I'm heading to a pantry at a Methodist church to see if I could get some canned food, some food to ship off to Jamaica. All right, so I'm on my way, so let's go. Hello. Good morning. You only have hot food here? You only have...
It's for the TV show.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
He's lying. I'm telling you, he's lying.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to a pantry, like, you know, with canned foods and stuff. No, not okay. All right. Thank you. They only have hot food here, so yeah, we need canned foods, not hot food. I'm gonna check another pantry that offered dry food only. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. But they close at 12 and it's now 10:30, so let me try to head down there fast. It's 15 minutes away from here. Yeah, so guys, I am back, and my sister and I, we're going to BJ's to pick up the barrel. We're now here. Does my sister say hi?
Hey.
Yeah, so what we have been doing, we have been running around all day to the pantries to pick up food and stuff like that, but unfortunately we cannot get any dry goods. Like most places, they're giving us breads, and that's what we got.
Barrels, like shipping barrels you need to ship.
Just those regular black and yellow tubs that were in the other aisle.
Yeah, it's not put no container.
I mean, you could
like
probably ship that, but I don't know.
they'll be up there.
They're like in the middle of the aisle.
Okay.
If you go to the other aisle, they have the black containers with yellow tops,
Yes, yes.
and you can secure them, and they're
And
good
Okay.
to ship for.
All right, thank you.
yeah, I see you feeling happy. Yeah, so we just asked the guy about having for the barrel, but he's saying that they don't think they have any here in BJ's. Yeah, so everyone is pointing at these, and that's not what we want. We want this barrel right here. Like, it's kind of like hard to find. I don't know, like I've been asking around. So the only places to look is in shipping places that ship stuff to find that, because locally I cannot see it. We can't find it, and I've been looking now for 2 days. You got it?
Yeah. The 30 gallon. Amazon sell it.
That's the barrel, guys. This is the barrel. Or these. So Amazon have them. Like, how much is it in Amazon, and how long the shipping would take?
It says currently unavailable. Never mind.
Currently unavailable on Amazon. That means probably everyone is buying them.
Yeah, the brown one is like $83.
$83
Yeah,
for a
that's a lot of
barrel?
money, yeah.
What, the coconut?
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
Oh, you sell these barrels? Oh, wow. Okay.
Hello.
I like those shoes.
Thank you. I know you guys got a lot of barrels, huh?
Oh, here are the prices.
Love them shoes.
Oh, look at you.
This the price?
Yeah,
$40?
with the big place.
Yes.
They sold out and they were over here buying them from me.
Really? Yeah, we called them today, but they didn't have it.
So we're opening the barrel fit right here. So my sister is getting everything together, making rooms for the barrel, huh? So here we go. We're at what is this place called? Atlanta Barrel.
Yes, ma'am.
So guys, we're at Atlanta Barrel, and we're trying to get all the barrels into one barrel into Jamaica. This guy here helping us, really awesome guy. So here we go. They got a ton of barrels here. So guys, if you're in the Atlanta area and you need a barrel to come to Jamaica, come to Atlanta Barrel, right?
Atlanta Barrels and Drums, 284 Six Flags Parkway, open Monday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Bring cash money. It's an extra fee if you pay electronic.
All right. And he also sell locks. Like, yeah, also.
Oh, I got locks, combination locks.
Okay. Oh, wait. I need to put... Okay, so this
So
is...
you can fill it up with 55 gallons of cans of soup and other essentials for a disaster zone like Jamaica hurricane.
All right.
This goes on, and this goes on quickly.
Yes.
And it locks down, and we even sell locks that you can put there so nobody can open it.
All right. Nice.
And the barrel, it fits right in, even in a small SUV. Fit right in.
The places, and they're all sold out. And thank God that we happened to found this
Atlanta
place.
Barrels, we anticipate emergencies. Last year was the hurricane that went through North Carolina, and at that time I was not hoping for a emergency, of course, but I was anticipating hurricanes, bad weather, so we make sure to stock up.
Oh, wow.
That way we don't run out.
That's cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so yeah, let's go take care of business. And
Thank you so much. AtlantaBarrels.com.
AtlantaBarrels.com, guys. Get your barrels. Come down here and get your barrels. They got a ton. All right, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my, that's great experience. Good guy, guys. Come down here and purchase your barrel. Where's the receipt? Okay, thank you.
Look, we are at Atlanta Barrels. We are on our way back right now.
And we got the barrel. The barrel is in the car. Can we see it?
Yeah.
That right there. The barrel is in the car. And this guy is so amazing. We paid $40 for the barrel, and he got a whole bunch down here. So if you're looking for barrels and you're in the Atlanta area, come down here to Atlanta Barrel. Ton of barrels here, guys. Ton. Good price. Great guy. Great customer service. He's awesome. Where's it? All right, guys, some wonderful people just gave us some stuff. Look at this, a box of cereal and a bunch of stuff, man. And we have a couple more places to hit up. So yeah, we're trying to fill that barrel, right? Yeah. That was really nice of these people. There's some like real good people out there, man.
So much. Thank you. We found them on the Ring app.
Yeah, we find them on the app. Jeez. All right, so the barrel. Let's go back and put this stuff in the barrel. Trina, how did you get all these foods?
Ring app.
Ring app?
Yeah.
You went in Ring app and okay. So for those of you who don't know what Ring app is, well, Trina can explain that better. What is Ring app?
Ring app is just the camera app that you use in your home. I'm sure everybody know about Ring app. Yeah, Ring app you use for your camera in your home.
So you just like post
Yeah,
that you
post
needed
stuff.
some food for Jamaica for the hurricane.
Yeah.
For the hurricane.
Cool. Okay.
And look at all this, guys. Like people just like sending us stuff. We got so much.
Yeah, we're gonna say this first.
So those are all the stuff that's going in the bottom of the barrels, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Man, God bless those people. Wow, that's amazing. Like, you know, we didn't even have to spend a dime. Like, these people just come through and just start giving us stuff. Just from one message. Just from one message my sister put up there. And look at all this. And people are still emailing us. Still texting her that they have stuff to pick up.
Tuna's in the back. Tuna's.
Oh, this
Yeah, tuna's over there with me. Right, with me.
That's a lot of tuna. Oh, so different cord.
That's the tuna too, yep.
Oh, these are tuna and corn too? Okay.
The fruits had a special place, right?
Yeah, it just fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think,
You can leave some over there.
Kim put them over here. All the fruits here. These are perfect for all the canned foods.
There's more food. Oh, need that green right there.
Mackerel.
Just organizing, guys. Just organizing.
Yeah. There you go. Put the rest in there.
Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Oh my God! Oh my God! People are so nice. Got bread. We just got so many stuff, and then all of that is gonna fit in the barrel right here. This is the barrel. That's the barrel. So we're doing our thing. We're very busy. Very busy.
All right. So this is tomato paste. What else over there? What is this? Cream of mushroom. Cream of... Oh, we're gonna... This is tomato paste. So we can put all the tomato paste right here.
Tomato soup.
Tomato, whatever that is.
Soup, okay.
Okay. And then one next tomato thing here.
Where's the corn at?
Corn.
We can leave it right here. Leave it right here.
What are they? Corn?
No, this is a green beans.
Did you, oh, these are, okay.
Come on, give me this.
More pasta, there's so much pasta. Yeah. And juice. We got juice. We get canned milk too. Like canned milks are very, very important. Grits. And a lot of cake.
Shout out to everybody
Biscuits.
who contributed
Yeah.
all this food right here.
Oh yes.
This food here. Baby food. More
Baby food. We got baby food. We got food.
canned goods.
Look at this. Baby milk.
Right here.
Look at this, guys. We got
bread. We're going to do all of this.
bread.
Flour. What is this? Rice?
No.
Hold on, let's organize it. Let's clean it up a little bit.
So like the flour and stuff, then we bag them up in a bag. And like rice and stuff, we bag them up.
So we need oil.
Yeah, we need
Cooking oil.
flour, sugar, and rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at my little cooking look good. And what we'll do is, me and you will count the different sections and then we'll meet up in the middle, okay? Where's the mashed potatoes? I thought I had some more to do.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Alright. I can probably start right now.
Yeah, what is this? Sweet potatoes,
It's two sweet potatoes.
green beans, fruit, There's more tomatoes.
Spinach.
I'm not gonna eat that. Vegetable beef. They're gonna eat
Yeah, send it down there.
chili.
Mhm.
So what are more? Okay. Who is
Just
this?
probably know what to do with it.
Here goes some more.
Oh, some more mixed fruits. I thought about some fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah, mixed fruits are good.
I bought some mixed
You
fruits.
did buy some mixed fruit.
Because they don't have any fruits, even though so many fruits in Jamaica. All the trees are gone. So good morning, everyone. It is currently the next day, and I am sitting here in my sister's guest room. So my sister and Kim, they organized everything last night. You know, what's supposed to go in the bottom of the barrel to the top of the barrel. And they did an amazing job. So now it's just that we had to get the stuff inside of the barrel. And my sister went to work. She's a nurse, so she'll be home probably about 6 or 7 p.m., you know, tonight. And, you know, nurses, they have a long, stressful day. So I'm hoping that she might be able to come back and, you know, start packing the barrel. I went back to the store yesterday and I picked up supplies like bleach, pine sol, and, you know, like cleaning supplies in general to put inside of the barrel, you know, to sanitize, because I know there's going to be a lot of germs, you know, with the storm just, you know, you know what I mean. It's not to think about it. But anyway, guys, and I have some information here. It might be helpful to somebody. So, you know, picking up the barrel in Jamaica, that's gonna cost nothing. So they have a special running right now, and you know, for a month that you could pick up the barrel within 30 days, and that's for free right now. But us here has to pay the shipping company like $90 to ship it to Jamaica. And if your barrel get there within that time frame of the 30 days special, the person in the Caribbean can just pick it up for free. And yeah, so that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get fit into that time schedule and don't miss that special. So we're chop hurrying up over here, you know, try to get the barrel good and get it to Jamaica. So I'll be back on the road right after we send the barrel. Yeah, so that's the plan. But right now, I just want to make sure, you know, my family in Jamaica is fed and, you know, have food to eat, have something to eat. And yeah, guys, and thank you so much. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more great videos. Thank you. Okay, guys, bye. I'll see you soon. See you next week.